what's happening, guys. Okay, another video. So as you saw in the previous video, the Volvo is gone. Just picked up a new project, not a huge project, but it's got some work to do. So you know, there's going to be some haters in the comments saying that this car is a bunch of shit and you know, it's part of the Lotus family. But anyway, it's a 2010 Proton Gen 2 1600 16 valve. Bought it from a lady. Unfortunately, her dad passed away, and this was his car. He was in the process of doing some form of repairs to it, but unfortunately he very unexpectedly passed away. So I am going to take over and get the car trying to get the car back to where it should be. It's got 198,000 k's on the clock, like I said, 2010 model. It's been standing since last year March, but quite cool. Literally put the jumper cables onto the battery, started up first time, idled smooth, runs quite okay. It needs 4 tires, so I'm gonna need to do 4 tires on it. A little bit of body work here and there, so the bumpers need to be sorted out. It feels like, okay, the brakes I also think needs to be done, and then it does feel like there is some suspension work that needs to be done. I'm hoping that it's just because of the tires, it's moving across the road, so it's not stable on the road. So I'm hoping that it could only be the tires that's giving issues and wheel alignment, etc. because the wheel alignment is out, but that we'll have to try and check when we get to that. But I think first we'll need a very, very good clean. It has been standing for a while. It's very, very dusty, very dirty inside. So we're going to have to do a valet on the car to make sure that obviously it's clean enough to use. I am going to have to use it for a couple of days while so the Amarok is going in for some repairs. I had a guy skip a stop street and I clipped the rear end of him, so there is some damage on the car, on the Amarok, so that's going to go in, and luckily I will then have this to use in the meantime. But I'm on the way back, so once I get back I will give you guys a walk around. Okay, so this is the car. See, the front bumper needs a lot of love. It doesn't have the spotlights, it's got covers it's supposed to sit in more actually. Plug is there for the spotlights. But anyway, so the front bumper needs quite a bit of love. Needs 4 new tires. You can see these are pretty screwed. This fender has a ding there. The indicator is missing. Then these door handles are apparently notorious for breaking. So I need to get 2 new door handles. You can see also the car was standing for almost a year without being driven. It's very, very dirty, but it looks quite cool with these wheels. Back bumper needs a bit of love, but I can probably just get away with giving it a good polish and just getting the bottom part fixed there. This side I've got the spare on, other wheel is in the boot. See, door handle's completely missing. This window also doesn't work, so I need to get that checked. Like I mentioned, interior is not too bad. This door just doesn't stay open, so I'm assuming there's something either missing there or that door stay doesn't work. Needs new floor mats. The seat needs a bit of love, so I'll chat to Charlie and see if he can sort that out for me. But otherwise it's just dirty. Roof lining is dirty, but everything works. Got these cool sports looking seats. This door rubber I see now is missing. I think that's Okay, so that's there. Door rubber needs to go back on. Don't know why it's off, but yeah, just a good clean. Goes quite well. Like I said, there's a couple of little issues when we're driving. It's not the cleanest car, but I mean, with a little bit of love, it could be a cool little car. So let's see what we can do. Alright, so got the car cleaned finally. Still looks and a mini valet done, so it's a little bit cleaner. Still need to take those stickers off over there. So I'll quickly fit these new door handles. Now they're black. When the car goes in to get some paintwork done, then they'll just color code these for me. So again, it's as easy as on VWs. That you can't really see. There's supposed to be a screw in there, which I see is not there. But anyway, so this pops out. That just pulls back and out. I'm gonna quickly do that. Okay, so like I said, it's as easy as it comes out, and then that's so. New one slides in. And it doesn't grip. So I need to play around with this stuff inside here. Well, there is some adjustments to, well, not really. There you go. Looks like shit, but it works. So I'll quickly bomb out the other side, because obviously the other side is completely missing. Luckily the cover is inside the car, so I'm gonna quickly grab that. Okay, so we're back on the Proton. Haven't managed to make a lot of progress, haven't really had time, but just got brand new tires fitted. Entry level road stones, but at least it's 4 brand new tires all around, all matching. So the buyer will be happy with that. Wheel alignment's done, all of that. On Monday it's going into the panel beater to get the bodywork all sorted and looking nice. So obviously the front bumper needs to be fixed, the back bumper, this section over here where there's this blemish, they're going to just sort that out for me, and then just a good clean and a polish. So, and then as soon as it's back from there, I have ordered the indicator. I've ordered a new panel for there, because some of these buttons don't work after I cleaned it. Well, even before I cleaned it, it didn't work. So that I need to sort out. I need to get a set of mats for it. Other thing that I'm getting is a cabiole, because this cabiole doesn't close, and then a window mechanism for that side, so that the window can actually work. But yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys as soon as I get it to the panel beater, or whichever comes first. If the parts arrive here first, I can start fitting those at least this weekend, when I've got some time. Okay, so Proton is done. You can see it looks flipping amazing actually. And the big difference, what we did is we had these little blank off plates cut, just to close it off there, to make it look a little bit better. The bumper looks absolutely amazing, looks like new. Fender looks like new. Back bumper also gave the whole car polish. I've actually already sold it. Sold to one of my guys that works for me, sister. She needed a car, and yeah, and this just came at the right time. So sure. So Garage Me Too did a great job on this car. Really, it's good. They even managed to fix this door where it had the sun damage. Basically, it was burnt yellow there. Let's see, the back bumper looks great. So yeah, this is unclipped. They've broken that off. So they've sprayed this handles as well. Just remember they were black, just in primer. Good job. So another one done and dusted, another car saved. Now on to the next. So you guys will see in the next videos what project I've got. But for now, yeah, please give this video a like, please subscribe. A lot of you guys are not subscribed that are watching my videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.